We are cooking ginisang upo. Oil, pepper, salt, butternut squash, onions, garlic, tomatoes, and shrimp. We start with the basic. It's basically saute garlic, then onions, then tomatoes, and then shrimp. Then we will add the shrimp. I need a cameraman. Okay, so we are doing pepper. And we will add salt. And we will add some water. Okay, I already added the butternut squash. And I'll just have to wait till it's cooked and it's ready. You just add the salt and the pepper depending on your taste. I can't have too much salt, so I only use moderate salt. And that's it.